You are going to have a full deep dive view into this beautiful penthouse, which is located on the top floor. It's a half-floor penthouse located in Dubai Creek Harbour on the top floor of this building. We're not going to talk about too much about how beautifully this community is done, and we're not going to talk about that this Dubai Creek Harbour community is just 10 minutes away from Dubai International Airport and 15 minutes away from Dubai downtown, Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. We are gonna explore this apartment house here. We're gonna see how beautiful is this and what this apartment have got. So on a note that this is 30,000 square feet of spacious penthouse, half floor. We've got 4 bedrooms and we've got 6 bathrooms and we've got a beautiful kitchen and 2 terraces. So if I start on this side, this is the main entrance where you enter into this penthouse. So this is the hallway and the access from the elevator. So this is your main door, your main entrance. It's a plenty of space here. You stepped in here. If you're planning to go for this, you can decide to design this the way you want. This penthouse is listed at 7 million dirhams. So this is your main entrance. You can design the way you want. You want to put a shoe rack, or you can do whatever you want. Now I stepped into this beautiful living room, which we've got a full floor-to-ceiling windows. This is the north, and this is the sunrise. This is the east, and on the left side, this is the north. So we've got a full direct sunlight. In the morning, the sun is gonna hit right here to the apartment. Now it's afternoon, late afternoon. That's the west side. The sun is about to set, so that's what we don't have. But as you can see now, still we have such a bright and natural optimal light entering here. You've got a choice to close the curtain, but you are gonna have a full direct natural sunlight hitting your apartment, the main living room. This is a spacious living room. We've got a couple of couches here. You can design it the way you want to make it suitable for your lifestyle, the way you want to live. This main living room leads us to this balcony, the terrace. Ignore a bit of dust on the couches. It's been a month, the previous client left. So this is the main terrace. We've got a full open view towards the Creek Park. And on the left side, we can see this is the site of the future upcoming tallest tower, taller than Burj Khalifa, taller than Jeddah Tower, is gonna come up here. When Emaar decides to build, this is the site. And we can see the outer area of Dubai Creek, it's 70% still yet to be constructed, still yet to be built. So there is a lot of interesting things are gonna come up here. So imagine in the next couple of years, you are living here from this exact terrace, we might see a nice fire show from the tallest structure that's ever built on the planet Earth, if that is gonna come. So on this side, we have the full creek view, we can see. And we also can see that we have Dubai Skyline view from a side. It's not full clear view, but still we have a side view towards the Dubai Skyline, and we have a view towards the creek. And these are some of the towers and hotels and other amenities and facilities are here. We can see the park and all of the kids play amenities and other stuff. That's another road we can see which connects the island. We're on the island district of the creek. And this is one of the tower. We're on the top floor. This is 29th floor. Now, stepping inside back to the penthouse, and these doors, by the way, they have noise cancellation effect. So I close the door, no noise or anything at all. Moving further, this is like a mini office. You can prepare it or design it the way you want. This is also another mini office space, and this is the north side. So the sun is gonna come right here, which is gonna hit the apartment with a natural optimal light. So finishing this off, moving further, we've got a common guest room here. This is a common guest bathroom here. This is a common guest bathroom here, powder room, which leads us here to the main kitchen and the dining room. So this is the dining area on the left, and this is the kitchen, this is the island, and here we've got plenty of cabinets here. So this is the fridge area. This is one of the fridge here. We placed it in here just to rent out. Somebody wants to rent out, so obviously if you want to take the apartment so you can design it or just do whatever you want to do with it. We've got plenty of cabinets here, here, here. This is the main sink here. Down here we've got a dishwasher here, more cabinets here, and this is the dirty kitchen part section. We've got another second sink. We've got the stove here. This is the place for the stove, and we've got more cabinets here. Leaving the kitchen further, as I said, this is the dining area, and it gives us access to this another terrace here, the second terrace. The second terrace also have a really nice and beautiful view towards the creek, canal, and towards the festival city. There are a lot of fireworks and shows happenings during the night in Festival City. We might have a nice view. And that's the Dubai International Airport. It takes us just 10 minutes or less, depending on the peak hours of the traffic. We can get to Dubai International Airport in less than 10 minutes. So this community is easily accessible. Now, coming further, so when we cross the kitchen area, we will reach here. Now we're leading towards the bedrooms. So coming to the bedrooms, on the left side, we've got a laundry room here. Just ignore the bed sheets here. And this is the washing machine and the geyser up here. And this is one of the bedrooms. This is one of the first bedroom that you are gonna see when you enter. We can see the terrace. We have floor to ceiling windows again. And these are the wardrobes here. You can hang your clothes and you've got shelves and stuff. And here on this side, we've got the attached bathroom here. So you've got a sink here and you've got a shower here and other your necessary stuff. So moving further out from this bedroom, we see the left side. This is another bathroom here, which can be used by guests or someone from the living room. And here we've got the maid room as well. This is the maid room. Currently it has a bunker bed, so it's hard to open the full door, but this is a spacious bedroom. And on this side, we've got another bedroom here. Now, this bedroom gives you two-sided views. From this side, you've got the north side. This side, you've got the Al Jadaf view and the full creek view. You can see the creek canal here. This bedroom doesn't have a bathroom. So we've got two bathrooms, outside bathrooms, along with this bedroom, which can be used from this bedroom or on others. And we've got plenty of cabinets here and shelves. These are really spacious and really big and really tall. You can hang all of your long dresses. You can hang your suits or a lot of stuff here. On top, there's a shelf as well. And it's how bright it, all of the lights are turned off in this room. Whatever we see, these are all natural light here. So we covered two bedrooms and the maid room. Now this is another washroom, which can be used from both rooms. The first room has its own washroom already, but this one can be used from that bedroom. And right here, this is another access. That's again a hallway. This is another access to the penthouse. So we've got two entries. Here, this is the third bedroom here. This third bedroom also doesn't have a washroom, but when the outside two washrooms we saw can be used by these two bedrooms. So if you want some fresh air, you can open this and you can open this window, you will have some fresh air. And again, floor to ceiling windows, nice view towards the Creek Canal and Al Jadaf and Festival City Dubai International Airport. On the left side of the bedroom, we've got plenty of cabinets and wardrobe for clothes. Now it's time for us to look at the master bedroom. We got in here. This is the master bedroom. The master bedroom also has a floor to ceiling windows, full view open towards the Dubai Creek Canal, plenty of huge space in this bedroom. We've got a walk-in closet. This is a walk-in closet. We've got the wardrobe here to hang all of our clothes, and we've got a shelf up there. We've got plenty of space here. And now it's time to enter to the master bathroom. The master bathroom got his and her sinks. It got a bathtub. It's really huge bathtub. And we've got from our bathroom, we've got a full open view towards the Dubai Creek Canal. We can also see on the Al Jadaf side, the Blue Line metro is under construction, which is going to connect Al Jadaf with the Dubai Creek Harbour. We've got the Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Library there as well. And this can be closed if you want to use the bathroom. You can close this for your privacy. But if you're someone to enjoy a nice view and nice lighting to your bathroom, you can lift it off. This is a shower area. And that's Now this apartment is also available for rent. And this penthouse is also available for rent and for sale. The owner is asking for 7 million dirhams. It's slightly negotiable. And you have seen the entire apartment. If you are interested to look into this apartment, we can arrange a viewing. Or if you're someone abroad, if you want a full understanding, or if you have any specific questions or concerns, I have multiple options here in Dubai Creek Harbour. I have other apartments as well. This is one of the Penthouse. So if you have any questions or anything, if you want to know more about this apartment, just drop a message and we'll get in touch. Thank you for staying tuned until this time. Looking forward to seeing you in another one.